Good morning. All right, so I have a 20-inch by 20-inch canvas, and I am going to use up some of the paints that I used yesterday in a pour. I have I have Payne's Gray. I have Green Flash, 24K Gold, Dragon Flash by Color Shift. It's a new color. And I have some deep turquoise. I also have my whites. What I'm gonna do is layer the cup a bit. And I sort of want my white a little bit thinner. So, I don't know, I'm gonna thin it down a little bit. I never thin out my paints, but I want the paint to be thinner. I'm just gonna put some water in it. We'll see how it does. It's been sitting, so let's see. This is 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part Artist Loft paint and a little dollop of satin enamel in order to get the same consistencies within. I'm just gonna mix these 2 together. So we're both just half full cups, but I also don't want one thinner than the other because I may have put more water in one and not the other. So I like to mix them. There we go. All right, so I think that'll do it. Let me just stir up this one. All right. Good Lord, Moo. All right, so he's like all fun and in a tizzy, so we're just gonna see how these consistencies are. I'll just add a little more to this because I want them fairly on the same consistency level. That's definitely really thick. But for what I want to do, I want them a little bit thinner. Okay, so that's good. All right, so I'm gonna layer my cup and we're gonna go from there. So I'm going to use a little bit of white. And then I'll wipe off my hand. I have some high flow black gold. I'm just gonna leave it right there. Some deco art. I'm gonna go right in with the Payne's Gray that I used in yesterday's pour. That is a little thick. I'm gonna go with the Flash Green. The Dragon Scale. I'm gonna go right back to this. just a little bit in there. I noticed yesterday that I ended up trying to help somebody in an email the other day, a couple days ago, with their painting, and they wanted to know what was going wrong. And I gave some pointers, and then I took a look at their layered cup because they sent me a picture of their layered cup, and then the end result. And it dawned on me that I never use typically a solid color, a non-metallic color next to white, because it bleeds out or it just blends and makes it lighter. So I've noticed I've been using the Deco Art between layers of white and after layers of white, so that the colors do not mesh with the white. It creates a wall, a barrier of some sort. I'm hoping this works. I may have put a little too much of the high flow gold in there, so we will find out rather quickly. Oops, I didn't mean to trade up on my colors there, on my white. Really like this color that I created using Payne's Gray and Phthalo blue shade, or blue hue, instead of the green phthalo blue. I think it's blue hue. I have to take a look. I'm really just using up some of the greens, and I saw these greens all together in a dark. And then I'm adding a little bit of light green, like the color, this color here, the color shift green. I thought it would be, because it's so much lighter than the others, it would be a good contrasting color to the other few greens that I used. I do have 3 other greens to use, and I'll do that in another pour. But this is about it. We'll see how it works. What a mess. So who knows? My cup is overfloweth. Oh boy. Oh dear. The cats are fighting. Moo's probably bugging his sister, trying to tell her who's in charge. really concerned about what's in the cup at this point, so I'm just gonna scrape it out. So I think what I'm gonna do, I like this, but I'm gonna just stop right there before I turn it all into mud. So I just wrecked a straight pour. All right, I'm gonna put a little white around the edges to get it moving. Not sure which way to move this thing. Obviously got to bring it down to this corner. Oh, I love this. Okay, I'm super pleased with the outcome of this. Gotta wipe my hands off. Oh, the moment I regret scraping out the cup. So I have some of the corners to cover here. So let me just get to that, and then I will bring you guys in. There we go. Blend that corner a little more. And then here. So, all right. So let's bring you guys in. We are ready. All right, here is the final piece. I'm like super loving this, and I'm super excited to try another wrecked straight pour. I wasn't gonna do, I love this area. I mean, this is just gorgeous. So if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps. Share the video, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell for notifications. So many directions, I know. But I really appreciate you guys watching today. I'm like loving this piece. I don't know. And then here is the high flow, which I think is going to look amazing when it dries, because it'll be really glassy looking and whatnot. So we have all this. Oh, I can't. Like, the movement in here is just amazing. And I'm so sorry for the glare. And everything looks darker than it really is on the screen. I have no idea why it does that. But it's very green. I think that's the closest in colors that I'm gonna get on the screen, but look at this. Oh, look, it's a little eyeball cell. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm definitely gonna be doing more of these. And maybe try a comb also, like the Miss Mina Villegas. I love her comb pours recently. They're just gorgeous. I love all her pours, but when she's been using the comb, it's quite a patient technique. So this looks really, really dark, and it's driving me crazy because it's not super dark. But hopefully the pictures will come out a little bit better, and then we'll do a finished piece reveal next week sometime, so you guys can see all these beautiful colors. All right, I mean, I love the little details. So, all right, guys, let me see if I can play with the lighting. There we go. That's a little bit better. Thanks so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.